So, Synth DIY UK 2023. There's the little room. We have, if anybody remembers these, EN SX1000. We have, which I'm sure somebody will demonstrate in a minute. This is a Sonic Mirage clone. And over the back here we have a Raspberry Pi synth, which again I'm hoping someone will demonstrate at some point. So let's get around into the main room. This is where it gets noisy. And there's lots of people. Here we go. Godric's little collection of stuff.
Yes.
Tiny little 303 style sequencers. And some proper modular, which is always nice to see. Proper sized modular stuff.
What proper size modular?
Yeah. And this tiny little Eurorack stuff. We've got Andy's boys Jasper and his TTSH, which looks stunning. I do like these sliders with the LEDs on. What else have we got here? Got a Yamaha CS something. I'm sure someone will tell me what it is. And a bunch of mixers. Some weird, no idea what the hell that is. Electronic drum pad, which was making sound earlier, but isn't now. Cowboy synth, some kind. DX100. And we have a nice little modular here. I think it's Livertera, I think so it's pronounced, I could be wrong. Chris has bought his Modal 008 with some enormous speakers. We've got another little modular synth with a home-built wind controller, which was demonstrated earlier, it sounded really good. We've got Tim with his little modular and a
He's basically duplicated the whole.
we get around here. More people.
He's got
A
sort of
freeboard in a rack and a case.
This is literally
pre-patched,
the same as that.
which I'm sure will annoy some people.
You're controlling it by
And we've got a whole table full of little mini synths of various types. Some interesting ones. XR. Not sure what that one is. This is quite. I love the case on this. This looks great. Nice shiny metal case. Quite busy at work, taking things apart, soldering stuff as he usually does, and his traditional tub of sweeties. That is a Jupiter 8 clone that he's putting a mod on for hard sync, I think. And a Descartes Dream there. And then we've got another one of those funny little synths. 6 voices here of an 8-voice Shruti polysynth. Looks pretty well. We have a selection of raffle prizes. So we do a raffle each year for charity. The star prize is, of course, the tin of spam. Can't get anything much more British than that. We've got some Raspberry Pi, some cables, a couple of modules, chips, kits, and panels. It's all good, and a cake. More synth nerds.
So you can recall it.
And we've got Finlay's Bookler system. Probably pronounced that wrong, so apologies to all the Bookler fans. And we've got my little polysynth here, which seems to be going down well. We've got Neil's little mini Bookler setup and Neil's Yen SX1000. She's added a sub-oscillator, a wave folder, MIDI and an arpeggiator too, which sounds really nice. So that's it, it's still early days, it's just before lunch. We've lost a few people due to the somewhat inclement weather. Can't get much more British than this in the summer. It's pouring with rain.